Sourdough. This ancient bread dates back to around 1500 BC in ancient Egypt, where it was the first leavened bread. The wild yeasts and bacteria naturally present in the environment ferment the dough, creating a distinctive tangy flavour. The fermentation process not only enhances flavour, but also improves digestibility and shelf life. What most people don't realise is that sourdough is a living organism, thriving on the natural bacteria that populate the air. The iconic San Francisco sourdough, known for its unique taste, owes its flavour to specific strains of lactobacillus found in the region, making it a true local specialty. Sourdough's unique characteristics have led to a resurgence in popularity, with bakers experimenting with different flours and fermentation times to produce an array of flavours and textures. This bread's ability to develop complex flavours over time has made it a favourite among artisanal bakers and home cooks alike. Rye bread. Popular in Eastern European countries, rye bread has been a dietary staple since the Middle Ages. Unlike wheat, rye flour contains less gluten, leading to a denser, heartier loaf. What sets rye bread apart is its distinctive flavour, which can range from mildly sweet to tangy, depending on the fermentation process. Pumpernickel, a type of rye bread from Germany, is particularly notable for its dark colour and rich flavour, achieved through a long baking process. Many people mistakenly believe that rye bread is always dark. However, lighter rye varieties exist, offering a subtler taste. Rye bread is often praised for its health benefits, as it contains more fibre and essential nutrients compared to white bread. This nutrient density has contributed to its popularity among health-conscious consumers and those looking for hearty rustic flavours. Baguette. The iconic French baguette emerged in the early 20th century, though similar long loaves date back centuries. What distinguishes the baguette is its crisp crust and airy interior, achieved through a unique baking method that incorporates steam in the oven. The law in France mandates that a traditional baguette must be made from only 4 ingredients: flour, water, yeast and salt. This simplicity is deceiving. The dough requires precise handling and fermentation to develop its characteristic flavour and texture. The baguette's popularity has spread globally, leading to numerous variations, including whole grain and multigrain baguettes. A true baguette is best enjoyed fresh, as it starts to lose its quality within hours of baking. Interestingly, the baguette's elongated shape is believed to have originated from the need for soldiers to carry bread easily during the Napoleonic Wars. The baguette has since become a symbol of French culture, often associated with leisurely meals and picnics. Ciabatta. Originating in Italy in the 1980s, ciabatta was created as a response to the popularity of French baguettes. Bakers in the region of Lombardy aimed to craft a bread that retained the rustic charm of Italian loaves while incorporating a chewy, open crumb structure. The high hydration of the dough results in a crispy crust and a soft interior, making it a favourite for sandwiches. The name ciabatta translates to slipper in Italian, aptly describing its shape. But the real reason ciabatta became a staple is its versatility. It pairs well with a variety of fillings, from classic Italian meats to gourmet cheeses. Many artisanal bakers are now experimenting with different flours, including whole wheat and ancient grains, to create unique variations of this beloved bread. The ciabatta's adaptability has made it a popular choice in modern cuisine, from gourmet sandwiches to bruschetta. Focaccia. This flat, oven-baked Italian bread has roots tracing back to ancient Rome, where it was known as panis focaccius. Traditionally seasoned with olive oil and herbs, focaccia varies greatly by region. What many don't realise is that the texture can range from fluffy and airy to dense and chewy, depending on the recipe and technique used. In Liguria, for instance, it's known for its dimples, created by pressing the dough with fingers before baking. Focaccia is often enjoyed as an appetizer, served warm with olives, or as a base for more elaborate dishes like focaccia sandwiches. The versatility of focaccia has led to creative adaptations, including toppings like caramelized onions, olives, and even seasonal vegetables, showcasing the bread's adaptability to local flavors. Furthermore, the use of high-quality olive oil enhances its flavor, making focaccia a favorite among food enthusiasts. Challah. This traditional Jewish bread is braided and often enjoyed during Shabbat and other Jewish holidays. Its origins can be traced back to ancient times, where it was crafted as an offering in the temple. The dough is enriched with eggs, giving it a rich golden colour and a slightly sweet flavour. What many don't know is that challah is often shaped in various forms, including round loaves for Rosh Hashanah, symbolising the cycle of the year. The act of braiding the dough not only creates a visually stunning loaf, but also represents unity and community in Jewish culture. Challah has gained popularity beyond religious contexts, often featured in gourmet French toast dishes and as a luxurious base for sandwiches. The bread's rich flavour and soft texture make it a delightful addition to any meal, especially when served warm with butter or jam. Pita. This Middle Eastern bread has been enjoyed for thousands of years, with origins dating back to ancient times in the Mediterranean region. Pita is unique for its ability to puff up during baking, creating a pocket that can be filled with various ingredients. The science behind this puffing is simple. Steam trapped within the dough causes it to expand. What many don't realise is that pita is incredibly versatile. It can be used for wraps, dipping, or even as a base for pizzas. Variants exist across cultures, from Lebanese manikish to Greek pita, showcasing its adaptability. Pita's popularity has led to a rise in artisan varieties, incorporating whole grains and spices to enhance flavour and nutrition. The bread's ability to serve as a vessel for various fillings makes it a staple in many diets worldwide. Naan. This soft leavened Indian bread is traditionally baked in a tandoor, giving it a unique flavour and texture. Naan's history can be traced back to ancient Persia, where it was a staple alongside meals. The dough is enriched with yogurt, contributing to its soft, chewy consistency. What's fascinating is that naan can be flavoured with a variety of ingredients, from garlic to herbs, making it a perfect accompaniment to rich curries. Many people enjoy naan stuffed with fillings like cheese or potatoes, transforming it into a meal on its own. The rise of global cuisine has popularised naan beyond Indian restaurants, with creative adaptations like naan pizzas and garlic naan breadsticks gaining traction. The bread's versatility has made it a favourite among food lovers, fitting seamlessly into both traditional and contemporary dining experiences. Bagel. The bagel's origins are debated, but it is widely believed to have been created by Polish Jews in the 17th century. This chewy, boiled bread is unique for its dense texture and characteristic ring shape. The boiling process before baking creates a crust that is both chewy and shiny. What many don't know is that bagels have a rich cultural significance and were often gifted to new mothers in Jewish communities. In recent years, bagels have evolved beyond their traditional forms, featuring various toppings and flavours reflecting contemporary culinary trends. From the classic New York-style bagel to modern creations like rainbow bagels and gourmet flavours, the bagel continues to adapt and thrive in today's food landscape. Bagels also serve as a canvas for numerous toppings, from cream cheese to smoked salmon, making them a versatile breakfast option. Brioche. This French bread is known for its rich, buttery flavour and soft texture, making it a favourite for both sweet and savoury dishes. Its origins can be traced back to the Norman region of France, where it was crafted by wealthy bakers. What sets brioche apart is the high fat content. It typically contains eggs and butter, resulting in a tender crumb. Many people enjoy brioche as a base for French toast or pastries, but it can also be transformed into burger buns, adding a touch of elegance to any meal. Brioche's versatility has led to its use in various culinary applications, from decadent bread puddings to luxurious breakfast sandwiches, showcasing its ability to elevate any dish. The rich flavour of brioche complements both sweet and savoury fillings, making it a popular choice for gourmet creations. Cornbread. This beloved southern staple has its roots in Native American cuisine, where corn was a primary food source. Traditional cornbread is made from cornmeal and can be baked, fried or steamed, resulting in a variety of textures. What sets cornbread apart is its slightly sweet flavour, often enhanced with ingredients like honey or buttermilk. Many people enjoy cornbread with chili or as a side to barbecued meats, but it can also be transformed into a dessert when sweetened and served with butter or syrup. In recent years, the popularity of cornbread has led to innovative recipes, including jalapeno cornbread and cornbread muffins, showcasing its adaptability. The versatility of cornbread also allows it to be enjoyed in various forms, from savoury to sweet, making it a cherished dish in many households. Fougasse. This rustic French bread, often associated with the Provence region, is characterised by its flat shape and decorative slashes. Traditionally, fougasse was baked to celebrate special occasions or festivals. The dough is typically enriched with olive oil and can be flavoured with various ingredients such as olives, herbs, or cheese. What many don't realise is that Fougasse is not just a visual delight, it is also a flavourful bread that pairs beautifully with soups, salads, or as an appetiser. Modern interpretations have led to creative variations, with bakers experimenting with different toppings and flavour profiles, making Fougasse a versatile addition to any meal. The artistic nature of Fougasse allows bakers to express their creativity while producing a delicious bread that enhances any dining experience. Pumpernickel. This dense, dark bread hails from Germany, where it has been a staple for centuries. Traditionally made with coarsely ground rye flour, pumpernickel is known for its unique flavour, which develops through a long, slow baking process. What many don't realise is that the name pumpernickel is derived from a German term that roughly translates to devil's fart, a nod to its rich, hearty nature. Pumpernickel is often enjoyed with strong cheeses, smoked meats, or as the base for open-faced sandwiches. Its robust flavour profile has made it a favourite among artisanal bakers who experiment with different grains and toppings to create unique variations. Pumpernickel's distinctive taste and texture have solidified its place in the world of breads, offering a hearty option for those seeking depth in flavour. Each of these breads tells a story through its unique ingredients, preparation methods, and cultural significance. Understanding the history and characteristics of these breads not only enriches our culinary experiences, but also connects us to the diverse traditions that have shaped our diets through the ages. Whether it's the tang of sourdough or the warmth of freshly baked challah, each loaf offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of human culture and history. The world of bread is as diverse as the people who bake it, and exploring these varieties opens a door to culinary adventures that span continents and centuries. Each bite of bread is a connection to the past, a celebration of diversity, and a testament to the art of baking that continues to evolve today.